Hey, what's going on, everybody? If you're a roofing contractor and you're not paying attention to tech right now, you are leaving money on the table. I went through the latest industry reports, and three tech categories keep coming up over and over again as absolute game changers for 2026. We're talking about AI powered estimating, all in one CRM platforms, and business process automation. I'm going to break down all three, show you what the data says, and give you a clear picture of where the industry is headed. Let's get into it. So, the first one is probably the biggest shift happening right now. According to a report covered by Roofing Contractor magazine, AI adoption among contractors has surged from 17% to 38% in just 1 year. That's more than doubled. And this isn't contractors just experimenting anymore. They're using AI in the parts of the business that actually make or lose them money. 24% of firms are now using AI specifically for cost estimation and budgeting, and 22% are using it for bid management. Think about what that means. Instead of spending hours pulling together numbers for a bid, AI tools are crunching material costs, labor estimates, and historical job data, and spitting out accurate proposals in minutes. Platforms like Quote IQ are combining satellite roof measurements with AI generated estimates, photo documentation, real job costing, automated follow ups, all starting under $30 a month. And that's the thing. This isn't enterprise level pricing anymore. These tools are accessible to one truck operations. The bottom line, if you're still building every estimate by hand, you're competing against contractors who aren't. They're faster, more accurate, and closing more deals. All right, number two. The 2026 State of the Roofing Industry report dropped a stat that should wake people up. Only 20% of roofing contractors are operating on a single unified platform. That means 80% of the industry is running their business across disconnected tools. One app for leads, another for scheduling, a spreadsheet for invoicing, sticky notes for follow-up. It's a mess. The data shows 63% of contractors now use estimating software, 58% use a CRM, and 61% use cloud computing. But the problem is there are often separate tools that don't talk to each other. That's why an all-in-one CRM platforms are trending hard. Names like Job Nimbus, AccuLynx, RoofR, Service Titan keep showing up because they consolidate lead tracking, aerial measurements, estimating, scheduling, material ordering, and invoicing into one system. When a measurement from EagleView or Hover flows straight into your estimate, then into your proposal, then into a scheduled job, that's where you eliminate errors, the double entry and the dropped balls. If your sales team can't see what production's doing, and your office can't see what's happening in the field, you have a visibility problem. And a CRM that connects everything is the fix. All right, the third one might be the most underrated. Business process automation. And the numbers here are wild. 74% of contractors have adopted business process software, making it the single most widely used tech category in roofing right now. More than an estimating software, more than CRMs. What does that actually look like on the ground? It means when a job status change, your system automatically notifies the crew, updates the customer, triggers a material order, and moves the project to the next stage without anyone having to remember to do it. Automated follow-up sequences keep leads warm. Automated task assignments keep crews on schedule. Automated invoices keep cash flowing. Tools in this space handle everything from automated quoting and contract generation to crew dispatch, supplier ordering, and even AI voice agents that answer calls after hours. The idea is simple. If the human doesn't need to make the decision, a human shouldn't have to push the button. This is the one that frees up your time. AI makes your estimates better. A CRM gives you visibility, but automation is what lets you actually scale without hiring 3 more office staff. So there you have it. 3 tech categories that the entire roofing industry is moving toward in 2026. AI-powered estimating to win more bids faster, all-in-one CRM platforms to stop running your business on 5 different apps, and workflow automation to get your time back. The contractors who figure this stuff out are now going to be the ones dominating their markets for the next 5 years. Don't sleep on it. If this was powerful, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment, and let me know what tools you're using right now, and I'll see you on the next one.